Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy File Locker. First, you will need to download the software from a reliable source. The program is quite small, often around 224 kilobytes, ensuring a quick download. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After installation, launch the application and immediately set a strong master password to secure your settings and protected items from the start. Once Easy File Locker is installed and secured with your master password, protecting your data is straightforward. Simply click the Add File or Add Folder button within the program's interface. Browse and select the specific files or entire folders you wish to secure. After adding your selections, ensure protection is active by clicking Start Protection. Your chosen items will then become invisible and inaccessible to others, even in Windows Safe mode. Easy File Locker offers flexible permission settings for your protected items. For each file or folder you add, you can customize 4 key properties: accessible, writable, deletable, and visible. For example, you might make a document visible, but prevent anyone from modifying or deleting it. This allows you to share content without risking unwanted changes. You have full control to apply these distinct settings to individual files or entire folders, tailoring security to your exact needs. To access your protected files, simply open Easy File Locker, enter your master password, and click Stop Protection. This will make your items visible and accessible again. If you need to change your master password, navigate to the System menu and select Set Password. It is crucial to remember your password, as there is no direct recovery option. Forgetting it typically requires specific recovery steps, such as deleting a user data file and reinstalling the software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.